What up, what up, what up? We got a 2015 Dodge Charger doing an AC condenser. This guy right here took the bumper off. All you got to do is take out the 4 clips on the top, little push pins like that. Then you got two 10mm on the side, which go right here. This hole right here. There's a hole right here. Take them 2 out. The bumper's gonna come off. Unplug. Press this button right here. Press that down right there. Both sides. Get the electrical connect off. Then you got an 8mm right here. You get that from the bottom down here. You got one right here on the top. Then you got this bolt right here. That's a 13. Take that off. You got these 2 right here. Inside you got these little metal. See that metal clip right there? You got one right there too. It's a clip. You gotta either take that out with a pick, or you can use one of these. Put that right here on the line, and then shove it inside. It'll pop out. But I'm gonna pull the clip out because it's gonna be hard to get that tool in there. Then you got another one down here on the bottom. That's a 13 also, right there. So if there's anything else, and then you got air dams on the side. This one don't have them. You gotta take the air dams off too. Let me do that and we'll get back with you. All right, so to get that tool in there, it's real tight, the line tool. So what I did is I came down here and I used this little flathead, and you can see this right here. This clip goes from here to here. So I pushed up on it, and when it can't lift it up, then I used the pick tool to get up underneath it. I used a 90-degree pick and then pulled it out. Then I did the top one, and I came like this from the back and pushed it that way, and then pulled it from the front. Then you got another 8mm right there, and you got that one up here on the top, and I think that's it. Okay, so it's actually you got 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So there's one right here, there's one inside right there, then there's a bolt right there, and then there's a bolt right here at the bottom. So you got 2 on each side. And then I slid it out, it just falls out the bottom. So we'll put the other one in and we'll recharge it. Let's see, got like the high side right there. The low side is right over here. I'll find out in a second, I'll let you know. Now this new condenser came with one stud, right? The old one got these E7. It's like an inverted Torx, like a star. So it's like a star bit, but it's like an inverted. So you need an inverted Torx bit tool to get those out. So that's your studs. So I'm gonna take the old ones, use the old ones, and then thread those in, because they just go in better. You know what I'm saying? Because they got the Torx bit on the end. That way I ain't got to use 2 bolts. That one's a little stud. I'm hit it some PV blast. All right, we'll come back. And then the new one came with clips already, so you can just pop them in. Keep the old clips for future maybe. Those always come in handy. Okay, so got everything in there, got the studs in. Now before, you got seals right here too. You want to replace the seals that come with the seals. And then your low side, your high side is always the thin, skinny line. Your low side is going to be the big line. So that's why I got it hooked on right there in the back, all the way in the back. And you want to crank up the car, turn the AC on full blast, and then charge it until you get into the green where it says filled. Use about two cans is enough, maybe 3 at the most, depending on how much the system holds. And then when you put your bumper on, make sure you plug in your lights first, or you can plug them in last. You can put the bumper on and then crawl up underneath it and plug them in if you want, however you want to do it. All right, so 2015 Dodge Charger AC condenser. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.